Ground FedEx 5048 Heavy, approaching Alpha Alpha with Yankee.
FedEx 5048 Heavy, Newark, we're going to 22 right at the full length this morning. Alpha Sierra, hold short over runway 29er.
Alpha Sierra, hold short 29, FedEx 5048.
Morning, Tower, United 2186, ILS 22 right.
Yeah, 2186, Newark, you're number 2 behind company, short final, the wind's 33086. Runway 22 right, clear to land.
22 right, clear to land, United 2186.
United 1783, taxi to parking.
Denver, United 1703.
03, affirm.
Taxi to park, United 1703.
That zero's got that line through it, it had me fooled.
Newark Tower, good morning, Jetstar 4336, ILX runway 22 right.
Jetstar 4336, Newark, you're number 2, the wind's 330 at 5, runway 22 right, clear to land.
Runway 22 right, clear to land, Jetstar 4336.
Is 1703. I was watching a YouTube the other day with a controller out here giving some corporate guy instructions. Was that you?
Oh man, not one of my finer moments, but yeah.
This is not confusing. I'm being extremely accommodating. You are at an active runway.
Oh, I enjoyed it thoroughly, actually.
It's fantastic. There's another one of me, I guess. It's the same guy. Took some video about me having Red Bull or whatever. I don't know. This guy does it all the time.
It's usually Red Bull, man. I'm working mids for the next 3 weeks, so I'm dying.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Ground FedEx 5048 Heavy.
Go ahead, sir.
Yes, ma'am, this is United Jet. Okay, they're pulling us ahead now. Never mind.
Yeah, if he's still in the way there, you can deviate around. I'm not sure if he's got rampers or not, but cool.
All right, he's about clear now, and he's pulling forward.
You got it.